Wondering if Noom is right for you? Don't just take my word for it. After I shared my Noom review on lellymom.com, tons of other people shared their reviews in the comments section. Here are just a few. I've been using Noom for a while now. I'm down several pounds and feeling positive and motivated rather than deprived and perpetually hangry. Deprived and hangry basically describes every minute of every other weight loss plan I've ever tried before Noom. I am 69 and just started Noom 1 week ago today. I heard about it from two of my friends, each of whom lost 30 pounds. Granted, it has only been a week and I've only lost 3 pounds. I do feel like I'm in control. I started Noom on September 27th of 2020. I weighed in at 211 and some change. Today, December 6th, I'm at 187.2. My weight hasn't been like this since 2000. My goal is between 165 and 170. I'm less than halfway there thanks to Noom. I like the fact that most foods out there are in the calorie counter, and really the only exercise I do is walk. Thanks for your article. It really helped me to see the direction I'm going in after just 2 months on Noom. I know it's in the right direction. I'm down 18.6 pounds today. Going to keep going. I love the lessons. I feel good, and for the first time since having children, I feel like I can get back to my wedding weight. I have tried all kinds of diets, and for the first time, this feels like real life. My sister Gail shared her results back in June. I joined June 25th. Since then, I've gone from 239 to 213. So glad Gail shared her story so I could finally get motivated for me. Noom is definitely not a diet. It shows you how to make lifestyle choices and changes. My goal is 135, so I have a little way to go, but I know I can get there. I'm making the right changes that are easy to stick with. I tried Noom as a last resort. I was skeptical at first since I'm no good with willpower, and it's just not part of my world. Noom is completely different. It got into the nooks and crannies of my brain and taught me how to eat and why I ate like I did. I didn't get that from Weight Watchers, Nutrisystem, etc. Noom saved me from myself. I've lost 20 pounds so far and have been able to do it without with any other program. I highly recommend it. I joined Noom a month ago and I'm down 4 kg, around 10 pounds. I'm young, 61, and have had ups and downs weight-wise for decades. I am confident Noom will be different as I have learned new stuff regarding color coding, trigger thoughts, why I eat what I eat. Loving it and recommend it to anyone who has struggled over time. To read even more reviews, to get a look at the app, and for free resources, check out my full Noom review at lellymom.com/Noom review.